everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to pay off a car loan faster. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 5 things that you should know about and do that will help you pay off your car loan faster than ever before. Because let's face it, nobody likes debt. Nobody likes paying off a car, so let's get that thing paid off ASAP. Number 1 is to make bi-weekly payments instead of monthly payments. Now, most people will automatically default to monthly payments, but they don't realize this, but bi-weekly payments actually allow you to pay off the car faster, okay? Because you're paying off the interest on the car and you're paying off the principal a little bit faster. Some places will even structure it so that you get a couple of extra payments in there at the end of the year. So if you're doing this over a 4-year term and you're getting 1 or 2 extra payments in a year because you're working it out bi-weekly instead of monthly, then that's a few extra payments by the end of the term. That's 4 to 8 extra payments, okay? Which is absolutely fantastic. So with that being said, you know, if you choose to make bi-weekly payments, because you're paying off the interest at an earlier point in time, less interest accumulates, therefore you save more money and you pay it off faster than ever before. Number 2 is make extra payments, otherwise known as lump sum payments. So a lump sum payment is like you say, here, I got $5,000, I want to put it directly towards the loan. Before you get your car loan, make sure that it is open-ended in the sense that you can pay it off or put money towards it at any given moment, okay? So take whatever lump sum amount you have and put it towards the car loan. To be honest with you, you should be cutting your spending down significantly, which I'll get to in a moment, and then taking all of that extra money and putting it right towards the car loan, okay? You're gonna save a ton of money on interest and you'll pay it off faster at that. Number 3 is negotiate an interest rate, a new interest rate, if you can get a better one. So here's what happens. Let's say you got your car loan a few years ago and the interest rates were high. So you're paying 5% interest on your car loan. And nowadays, the interest rate is actually much lower. It's only like 1%, okay? You might be able to negotiate a new interest rate. They probably won't give you the 1% because they're not going to do that, because then they're going to lose money on what they had banked on receiving. However, they might give you something in the middle. So, you know, they might meet in the middle and say, okay, we'll give you 3%. Because there's always the option that if they don't give you a better interest rate, that you can go to a new car loan person and they can give you an interest rate of 1%. You take that car loan for your current car, you pay off your old car loan, okay, at 5%, and you'll probably have a prepayment penalty, but it might work out in your favor. And like I said, you got to check on the legalities of all of this, and you got to check on whether or not it's worth it, because there might be extra fees and stuff. So find out if you're even allowed to do it, allowed to negotiate a new term, and then find out about any additional fees that you might incur. They might have an administration fee or something like that. And then once you've done that, you can try and negotiate a new interest rate. Number 4 is earn more and spend less. Listen, this is really what the problem is with people. Okay, I'm going to tell you the truth. The human error, the human inequality, the differentiating factor is that some people have the discipline to work hard and earn more money and spend less, and others don't. That's what makes the difference between rich and poor. You could call it luck, you could call it whatever you want. Listen, I don't believe in luck at all, okay? It's very simply hard work and preparation, okay, along with an opportunity. So you gotta work more, put in the extra hours, earn more money, mow some lawns, shovel some driveways, start a website, start a channel on YouTube, whatever the case is. Earn some more money and reduce your expenses. So spend less money. Don't get that $5 coffee. Don't go out for dinner, okay? It's simple, you know, I ate tuna sandwiches for the longest time, and I bought tuna on sale by the cases. Like, I would buy hundreds of cans of tuna at once, okay? You know, for the longest time to get where I needed to be. Just do it, man. What do you want me to tell you? Just do it. Number 5 is to make sure to incorporate the prepayment penalty potentially. So if you pay off your car loan early, they might charge you a prepayment penalty because here's how it works, okay? You know, they had banked on getting interest from you over the next coming years. If you pay off your car loan early, then you're not giving them that interest, okay? So you're kind of gypping them off of some money that they had planned on earning, okay? So they might not charge you all of the interest that they're losing, but they might charge you like half of it or a quarter or 10%, I don't know. But you gotta ask about a prepayment penalty. Is there any penalty for you paying off your car loan early? If it's open-ended, there might not be a penalty. You might get lucky, but look into it. That's it. it. That is how to pay off a car loan faster than ever before. A simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.